Hey there everyone, welcome back. I am Bharat. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. In today's video, we'll walk through how to install Oracle's VirtualBox on Windows. So without any further delays, let's get started. Firstly, let's open up browser here, search for Oracle VirtualBox, click on the first link here and click on this download VirtualBox button. Here you can see the installers for various operating systems. So I'll be downloading the one for Windows here. Save it. Now let's wait for the download to complete. The download is now complete. Let's click on this installer. Let me minimize this window. So the setup has now started. Let's click on next, next, yes, yes, install. Now let's wait for the installation to get complete. Okay, so the installation is now complete. Let's leave this check mark here as is and click on finish. So here is our VirtualBox manager. So I will make a new video on how to install Ubuntu or how to install Windows on this VirtualBox. So that is it for today's video, guys. If you found it was helpful, hit on the like button, share it with your friends, drop your valuable thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet and hit on the notification bell so you never miss out any of our latest updates. Thanks for watching. I look forward to meet you guys in the upcoming videos.